Into the op-eds, some very differing op-eds, but a constant theme of the programs, which we'll get into. Not this one, but the next one, although this one is a program in and of itself. We mentioned vaccines earlier, and some feel I don't discuss them enough. Like I said, you can't please all of the people all of the time. But here's another piece of extensive evidence which we put in shows. Vaccine, 1800s, used by British physician Edward Jenner for the technique he devised of preventing smallpox by injecting people with the cowpox virus. Oops. The cowpox. Cattle, anyone? Known as variolae vaccinae, from vaccine and the adjective pertaining to cows or from cows. From the Latin vaccinus, which means from cows. Vaccine means from cows, to give to the cattle. And also vacca, which also means cow, and is a word of uncertain origin. And the use of the term for diseases other than smallpox is due to Pasteur. It's pasteurized. And it's all in the words, or the name, as they say. And thanks to one member for pointing this out this week. Who is the vaccine and depopulation king? Bill Gates? Or is it Bill Gates? Or his wife's name's Melinda, I think, or is it melanoma? Either way, the pair of them are like a cancerous tumour on this planet and should be removed from society, not being allowed to visit the White House. And then the ultimate in programs, although it's generating some income for the People's Club at the moment, which is good. But this shows you how far the programming goes. Abby Govindan, who's from Texas, was dumped by a boyfriend. And one of her biggest concerns was how to tell her cat that the guy had both adored and had left them for good. How to tell her cat her boyfriend left her. Oh dear. I love my boyfriend more than anything in the world, and he's never coming over ever again. But how do I explain that to my cat? No, best not. And that post got 250,000 likes and nearly 13,000 tweets. You know, yet if people tweeted there is 1.3 billion with no electricity, or 3 billion people don't have enough food, everyone ignores it. And therein lies the problem, does it not? The program bot people jumped in on the stupid cat meme. And thankfully, some of our members are now seeing the problem with it. It's a program. Nothing to do with the snake in fair. It's a program. 250,000 can comment on or just quite frankly, a bizarre statement. How do I tell my cat my boyfriend's gone? It boggles my mind. Get ready, Lee. I'm sure there'll be a plethora of snake in fair posts coming up now.